Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we'll solve your Windows license expire. Let's go. We're first of all see our one bar our Windows 11. This you can see this here, but not fixed. Many time now. Let's go. Let's go. Windows update system. What type for MS settings Windows update, or you can click check here. Click here. Just a minute. You need to say CMD run administrator SLMGR first of all we'll say again one bar RM successfully is done. Let's go half. Here c.msc we'll find Windows Manager. Windows License Manager, and right button click for Properties, General, here is disable, apply. Now where Windows Update, find Windows Update, Windows Update. Here is forward button and click on Properties. Sim, here is manual and disable, apply. Thanks for watching. Now I think you are not see again your Windows update. Thanks for watching.